Morning everyone, sat in this van, absolutely sweltering. I've got the window shut so people can't hear me talking to myself. I'm already dripping. It's going to be a tough week, I think, so we'll probably have to call it a couple of lunch times to avoid heat stroke or to battle through. First up, I'd like to say thank you guys, thank you everyone for your likes, your shares, your subscribes. I know it's ridiculous, but I appreciate it. So if you can do a bit of the same, there's a subscribe button at the bottom. At the end of the video, there's a subscribe button. Really helpful. If you could share this video to your Facebook, I promise you, if I see you out, I'll buy you a pint. So yeah, this week we're working in Mapperley on a patio. We're doing an Indian sandstone patio in an autumn, which is a brown colour. There's also we're going to clad an existing path with sleepers just to make it more decorative. To give it a nice seating area. I'll run a little video in a minute to show you the current state of affairs and how it looks, so at the end we've got a comparison. And yeah, I've just looked forward to this week, getting the job done, another happy customer. If you guys, you want to like, comment, if you feel there's things I'm missing on this, feel free to comment, message me if you know me, just yeah, any feedback I'm grateful for. So yeah, let's rock and roll. Get things on the move, and I shall keep you updated. Thank you. Okay, so this is the job. This area here is going to be all a patio area. In front of the decking there, we're going to, as I say, clad or face with new decking, so it freshens up the patio area. We're going to run that decking all the way through to this building here and along here to clad. And then we're going to put some new steps in here, so off the new patio area onto the existing path and decking area. I'd say what is about 25 square meters. We've got a recess manhole lid, so we're gonna have to replace this lid here with a recess lid, which will show you, which is where you put you put a new lid in with slabs inside it, which hides it. Customers requested we come to this level here, which is your damp-proof course. So we're going to put new eco drainage channels all the way along and in. I'm going to pipe them into this existing drain here, and yeah. That's it. Let's just make a bit of a wide angle so you can see it a bit better. But this is the area. So we'll update you with some videos as we go along and how we're doing things and a bit of progress. I've seen this logo before somewhere, not sure where though. So we've decided to call it, go to the pub. It's about 1-2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 33 degrees, I think, so we're going to leave it till tomorrow. Man, that folds it. The kebab man, fresh off the grill. Morning everybody, it's Nick at B&P Paving. Day number 2. So today we need to fix the sleepers in, ready for tomorrow. We're going to finish it off the sub base and compact it all. Drainage channels, recess manhole lids, all the good stuff. Dead exciting, you'll love it. Yeah, that's it. And we're trying to get done for, again, we're going to try and get done for lunchtime, 1 o'clock-ish, because it's meant to be hotter today. So, which explains the attire. I don't normally dress like this, but to work. But I don't have any summer gear. I've only got these t-shirts, and they are fantastic quality, but they are thick and sweaty and horrible. So yeah, it's non-uniform day today, and then we're going to watch The Mummy on VHS. Yeah, I shall update you. Okay, so we've knocked the stone about ready for whackering in the morning. Sleepers are all in, back posted, back filled, steps been built, ready to be inlaid. Yeah, so ready to go tomorrow. Always leave site tidy look. few slabs laid yesterday, just needs a bit of a wash down. So hopefully today, slabbing will be finished, the path, ready for brushing in and finishing up tomorrow. Right, so we're all laid up, sleepers in, paths in. We've gave it a first wash off, but it'll need another one tomorrow. Ready for jointing, graveling and finishing up for the customer to enjoy. Morning everyone, Nick at B&P. It's Friday, it's raining, it's no longer 40 degrees, panics ever. We are finishing up today, so we're just going to jet wash it all down. We're going to use a fast point product, brush it all in, let it go off, just complete really. Put some gravel in, decorative gravel around the gravel traps on the installation. After this little talk here, we're going to run a montage of you know, before and after and the completion of the job, so you get to see what it is we've done. Please like and subscribe, it means a lot to us, we really appreciate it. We're going to be, for those who have subscribed, we're going to be doing a little bit of an incentive soon, or a little bit of a thank you to everybody, so keep your eyes open for that. And yeah, roll VT.